I wanted to look at the question here. What is the solution of lithium chloride in water with a mole fraction of 0.05? What is the molality? So let me just see if I can copy and paste this over. Yes. And let's move this up. Okay, so first let's define each one. Okay, so we have a mole fraction right here. It says mole fraction, and we want to find molality. So what does mole fraction mean? Well, mole fraction mean, and it's really important that you get these precise, is your moles of solute over moles of solution. Okay, which is like the total. Okay, our solute, in this case, is lithium chloride, okay? And we know this equals to 0.05. So this basically tells us we have 0.05 moles of lithium chloride per 1 mole of solution. Okay, so now let's define molality. Okay, this equals to moles of solute divided by kilograms of, and this is where you have to get it correct, it's kilograms of your solvent. Notice it's not kilograms of solution. Make sure to emphasize this is of solvent, this is not of solution. Solution equals to solvent plus solute. Okay, so let's figure this out. Let's see what we have right now. We have 0.05 moles of lithium chloride per 1 mole of solution. Okay, so basically what we need to do, so we have, and let me put this as lithium chloride. We have moles of lithium chloride, okay, but we need to convert 1 mole of solution into kilograms of solvent. So we need to get rid of moles of solution. So since I need to get rid of it, I'm going to put it up here. Okay, but how 1 mole of solution, and I want to get, in this case, I'm trying to convert how many moles of solvent. Okay, so let's think about what we have here. We know that 1 mole, there's 1 mole of 1 mole of solution. Okay, and we know that we have 0.05 moles of the solute. Remember how I defined it up here. The solution equals solvent plus solute. Okay, so I have this much solute, and then I don't know how much solvent I have. I'm going to have to solve for that. Okay, so basically 0.05 of this is solute, so how much is solvent? Well, we just have to do 1 minus 0.05, which is 0.95. Okay, so basically if 0.05 moles of this solution is solute, then that means 0.95 of it is moles of solvent. Okay, so when you add them together, it should equal to 1. So right here, I'm going to put 0.95. So again, in my 1 mole of solution, since 0.05 of it is the solute, that means 0.95 of it is the solvent. Because remember, I need to get to solvent, and we were at solution. Okay? Now I just need to go convert this solvent. My solvent here is water, because it said it was in water. Okay, so I know 1 mole of water, which is my solvent, equals to 18 grams. Now remember, I don't want it in grams, I want it in kilograms, so I just say 1,000 grams equals to 1 kilogram, and that's of our solvent. Okay, so whenever you multiply this all out, okay, I'm going to do 0.05 times 1,000 divided by 0.95 times 18. I get equals it 2.92 molality. Okay, so the hardest part here is knowing exactly the definition of a mole fraction and molality and realizing that mole fraction is moles of solution and molality is kilograms of solvent. So figuring out this, let me circle it, this step right here I think was the hardest step, realizing that there's 0.95 moles of solvent in 1 mole of solution.